so now I'm with my friend.
This is me.
Yeah, our head is so big right now and this. Okay, so now we are playing Breaking Story. Because no, this game is so famous, right?
Yeah.
We just want to try. Go in this bus. Yay, we are beside each other. Beside.
Yeah, beside.
Beside. That's funny though. Oh, Pepe.
Wow, a pistol man.
A sniper man.
Yeah, a sniper man. Oh my God.
Oh,
A hunter.
yeah. After this, can we just play daycare story?
Yeah, sure.
The daycare story has a part 1 and part 2. That part 2 that like the babysitter got like kidnapped. What?
I don't think so.
I don't know that. But I already played that game. And that is so scary.
Oh yeah,
The elevator is so dark at it.
Oh yeah, it's so dark.
Yeah.
I know it.
Ooh, I'm gonna take my food out. Oh, we have 13.
We have a 13 chips. So many. But it's not many.
Okay guys, so we are here. Oh, I found an apple for me. I got money.
Wait, you get it?
Yeah, I got money more. I got more money.
How you get
I'm
it?
so lucky. Just find out. Oh, I got cookie.
Yes, I got money too.
Oh my god, we are lucky though. Oh, didn't here have something?
Hey. We have a cookie.
Wait, I found a cookie.
Hey, apple.
People want to like snipe me. Oh my god, that is. Oh, it was very small. Shit.
What is that?
Oh, I found in water, Sophia, Emilia. Over here.
Where?
Up here.
Up.
Up at the stair. Aku tengah record. Okay. Ooh, I found in basement.
Hey, I'm coming.
Danny, ambil kat dekat. Nak main juga nanti.
Tolol.
Nanti.
Dulu
Oh, you're in pink bed? Oh, I want to sit beside you though.
Ya, astaga.
This is mine.
Gila gak tuh? Apa? Aku main pro. Apa main?
Jangan ada tape.
Where are you in the pink room? Alia,
Ya.
kau main yang ni yang mana? Yang baru tu ke yang lama?
Lama. I will.
Yang tu yang lama ke yang baru? Lama. Tu yang main baru lah. Extreme. Nah, this just shut up. Tak perlu berhenti.
Yeah. I'm scared. Fucking. Get in here. Oh, I think I'm found something like a food over that blue room. The blue room.
Yeah.
The blue room that I just found some things.
Yeah.
Oh, green room. I didn't remember. Where are you? Oh, right here. Yeah, same. Green room. Hey, I also want apple. Yeah, I got it. You don't have it. Oh, I like to. Hey, go to the toilet. I like to just wasting this. Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza, yummy pizza.
Go eat.
I like pizza. Okay. Oh, I want to sit beside you. I'm scared of this. Our head is so cute. Hey.
I want to take a pizza.
No, you can't. That's a dog. A dog can open that. Yeah. Me sure. No. I'm eating something. I don't want to waste my pizza though, so I'm gonna finish my cookies and apple. Yay! Me. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm stuck. Yay, me!
You touch that door first.
Yeah, I'm touch it. Yay, but who get the pizza? Did we get the big one?
Bye.
I want that big one. No, I got a smaller one.
Me too. But it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, I want to get that.
Yay! I want to see.
I want to sleep or watch movie, right? Right, and there has a something breaking news.
Let's go to watch TV.
No, this is the breaking news. Hey.
Breaking news.
Yeah, I want to sit here because that is scary. No. I want to see. Oh yeah, we are holding hands now. Little bit holding hands. Yeah, of course, the breaking news. Activate.
The television is still running. Hey,
Huh?
the television is still running. Look.
Hey, can you just, playing that line?
Yeah, what?
I want to see. Video.
Oh no.
Hi. Skip.
No.
I want to skip. I'm so scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not much block, but where is everything? Where is every people? Oh, they just sleep, friends. Oh, let's go back. Oh, there is nothing. Oh, that pink. I'm really scared. I'm beside your friends. Don't worry. I'm always scared because outside is, watering like raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
I'm scared with this
And
game.
the rubber is just breaking in the glass at the window.
Yeah, I'm so scared because I'm sitting at the window and I'm so scared. Oh my god! No, I'm scared. Mamma mia. No. Just get sleep. Just get sleep. I'm scared now. Yeah, after this we be a parent. No. After this we don't want to play. No,
Someone
this.
else did that.
Oh my god, I got her attacked.
Me too.
Oh my god, Penguin was attacked. I want to take the blue ring because the blue room first time. Let's not gonna take.
Bingo was take lessons.
Yes, we are survived. Okay, let's take all the planks. Yeah, I put it. I'm helping.
Put it. Don't get
There are birds in up every window.
every door.
Oh, how about after this game? I'm thinking our name is going right because we have almost. Yeah.
Hey, can you go
I can't put a plank.
Hey. No, I don't want to open the basement. The scary lady is here.
I can't. Oh my god, my phone is glitching. I'm scared. Oh my god. I can't hold this plank. Yeah, I can't.
I can't touch this plane.
I can't.
Hey, this is
Maybe we should leave. Bye guys. Maybe here.